IMO standard marine communication phrases. Sinking. I am sinking. I am sinking. I am sinking after collision. I am sinking after collision. I am sinking after grounding. I am sinking after grounding. I am sinking after flooding. I am sinking after flooding. I am sinking after explosion. I am sinking after explosion. I require assistance. I require assistance. Motor vessel Vega is proceeding to your assistance. Motor vessel Vega is proceeding to your assistance. ETA at distress position within 2 hours. ETA at distress position within 2 hours.